Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you'd like a thicker gravy, mix 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons water or broth, then whisk it into the hot gravy. Bring to a boil, stirring constantly, for 1 minute. Taste as you go. Gravy is often the star of a turkey dinner, the condiment that ties the meat, potatoes, and veggies together.
Take our lead.
This year, try one of these 7 flavoring techniques to add greater flavor satisfaction to jarred gravy. Stir in turkey drippings. Classic turkey gravy is made with the pan drippings from the roasted bird. Brown up some butter. Pour in the wine. Roast a head of garlic. Cheat with aromatics. Boost with umami. Add fresh herbs.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.